How to draw a realistic bubble. Let's begin. For that you need a black paper and a white pencil. If you don't have a black paper or white pencil, you can go for any digital medium that you're using. So here, first you have to make a circle using your white pencil. After making the circle, you will add two rectangle boxes facing each other. You can add three or maybe a little smaller one. So once you're done with the boxes, now it's time for filling the colors. So now you will start to fill the boxes using the Ombre Effect. What is an Ombre Effect? Ombre Effect is the color from lightness to darkness. You can see here I choose the blue color. It starts from the lighter color white and it goes towards the end and finishes with the blue color. The same thing you can do with yellow, red, it's up to you. Color doesn't matter. If you don't want to put yellow and blue color, you can choose your own colors. Once you're done with the boxes, now it's time to add some spices around the bubble. We will add little yellow, little orange, little red around the circle. Make sure that it's not too dark, it's like a small shade of color. So add little detailed colors like that. You can add little yellow, blue, whatever the first color you have given. It's all up to you. Once you're done with all those lines, make sure that you're not going out of the shape. It should be the circle. So once done that, add little sparkles at the edges of the boxes that we made before. Two edges and little dots. And if you want, you can go for more bubbles, smaller one and bigger one. Here it is. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.